told you that he's an old fox. But you told me not to worry, that you would fix him. I told you.
I'm sorry, boss. I'm so sorry. I'm shocked.
Now you're sorry. Huh? Now you are sorry. I trusted you. I trusted your intel. I trusted you every step of the way. You made me engage that girl's services, and now she has messed this operation up. See where we are now. Look at us!
Please forgive me. I will still fix Jerry.
You would what? Ha! This boy, you still don't get it. So sometimes you amaze me. Also, you think he's going to sit down there waiting for you to come and fix him. Ha! Smart. Maybe you're not as smart as your name implies after all. Your name is beginning to confuse you. Go. I'll handle this one myself. Jerry, you are nothing but a small-time criminal. I will come for you. I will fix you myself. Wait for me. I'm coming.
You know where you are?
This is Nollywood Pictures TV.